Myself, Anil Parmato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. This is my fifth lecture on solid state. To calculate the number of atoms in a unit cell, so some important points to be keep in our mind. First point is a point present at the corner of unit cell is shared by 8 other unit cells. Therefore, its contribution to each unit cell is 1 by 8. Second point is a face is common to 2 unit cells. Therefore, any point present at the face center has a contribution of half to each unit cell. Third point is a point present on each edge center is shared among 4 unit cells. Therefore, its contribution is to each unit cell is 1 by 4. And fourth point, a point present at the center of unit cell has a complete share of 1 as it is not shared with any other unit cell. As we know, in a cube there are 8 corners and one center point and 6 faces, and there are 12 edges. Now the question number 1, a compound is made of 2 elements A and B that crystallizes in cubic structure. Atom A occupy corners as well as face centers, whereas atom B occupy a center as well as body center. Then what is the formula of the compound? Number of atoms of A from 8 corner equal to 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. As we know that when atoms are present at corners, its contribution is 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. And from 6 faces is equal to 6 into half equal to 3. We know in a cube there are 6 faces and its contribution is half. So from 6 faces is equal to 6 into half equal to 3. So total number of A equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Now number of atoms of V from body center it is equal to 1. We know that in a cube there is only one body center and its contribution is 1. So from body center is equal to 1. From edge centers is equal to 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3. In a cube there are 12 edges and its contribution is 1 by 4. So 12 into 1 by 4 equal to 3. Therefore total number of B equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. A is to B equal to 4 is to 4 or 1 is to 1. Hence formula of the compound equal to AB. Now our second question is, if 3 elements P, Q and R crystallize in a cubic unit cell with P atoms at the corners and Q atoms at the cubic center and R at the center of each face of the cube, then write the formula. Here the number of atoms of P from 8 corners is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1, and number of atoms of Q from body center is equal to 1, and number of atoms of R from 6 faces is equal to 6 into half equal to 3. So the total number of P equal to 1 and number of Q equal to 1 and number of R equal to 3. So formula of the compound is PQR3. Next question, question number 3. A unit cell consists of a cube in which X atoms are at the corners and Y atoms are at the face centers. If 2 atoms are missing from two corners of the unit cell, then what is the formula of the compound? Here the number of X atoms from 6 corners. Here the corner is not 8, here is 6 because two atoms are missing from corners. So from 6 corner equal to 6 into 1 by 8 equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 3 by 4. Number of y atoms from 6 faces is equal to 6 into half equal to 3. Therefore, y equal to 3. X is to y equal to 3 by 4 is to 3 is equal to 3 is to 1 by 4 is equal to 1 is to 4. Hence, formula of the compound is XY4. Thank you.